Hi friends, welcome you all to my channel. This is Edukanth from Edukanth. We are covering NCERT syllabus for CBSE 10th standard students. So in this video, we are going to see the proof of basic proportionality theorem, the most important question in CBSE 10th standard. So this is also called as a Thales Theorem. So the theorem says if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, right? So the triangle is given and we have a parallel line. Okay, a triangle is given, we have a parallel line. So we will name it DE, parallel to BC. Okay, and we need to prove that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So this AD upon DB, so this is a parallel line. So this divides the other two sides. Okay, so this is a parallel line, this divides other two sides. Then the proportion, right, AD upon DB must be equal to AE upon EC. So we have to prove this. To prove this, we need to construct. We need to construct, that is, we are going to join BE. We are going to join BE and CD, and we are going to draw a perpendicular line. So perpendicular line, okay, so AC, perpendicular line to AC, perpendicular line to AB, okay, this is perpendicular line to AB, okay. So now we need to prove this. So here AD, DB, AE, EC, what is this? So there are so many triangles here. We can take this as a triangle, we can take this as a triangle, we can take, so we are going to take 4 triangles here, and each triangle we are going to consider a base. Okay, for example, for this triangle we are going to consider AD as a base, so that is what AD. Then we are going to consider this triangle where we will take DB as a base, and then in this triangle we are going to take AE as a base, right? Finally this triangle we will consider EC as a base for this triangle. That's what AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. So we will take the first triangle, this triangle, where AD as the base. So to prove this, we are going to use the formula. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height, right? So area of the triangle is half into base into height. So half into, for this triangle, triangle ADE. Okay, we have taken this triangle ADE. So base for this triangle is AD. Okay, base for the triangle is half into AD. So what is the height? Height of this triangle. Height of the triangle is nothing but drawing a perpendicular line from vertex. So draw a perpendicular line from vertex. So EN. So EN is the height of this triangle. So we have EN. So we will take the next triangle, triangle DBE. So we will take DBE. Okay, where we have DB is the base. DB is the base. The height of the triangle is, so draw a perpendicular line from the vertex. Right? Draw a perpendicular line from vertex, that is EN. So this is a half into DB into EN. Right? So we will take the next triangle where ADE, we are going to consider AE as the base. So AE, so we always keep in mind what we need to prove. So AE as the base. So area of the triangle is what? Half into base AE. So what is the height of the triangle? Draw a vertical line from the vertex. So draw a vertical line from the vertex, that is DM. So we have a DM, and finally we are going to take the last triangle, this triangle. So base is EC. So area of the triangle is half into base is EC, and the height of the triangle is, we are going to draw perpendicular line from the vertex, that is DM. So we have DM. So now we look at this equations. So we have half. We will get, and the 1 by 2 will get cancelled. En will get cancelled. and take these two equations 1 by 2, right? So we will have AD upon dV. So we will keep this as equation 1, and here 1 by 2 will get cancelled, dm will get cancelled. So what is remaining? AEC is remaining. So equation 1 and 2. But how to prove that equation 1 is equal to equation 2? So there is another property in triangles. So look at this triangle where this both triangle between a parallel line, right? And both triangle has a base. Say if we consider this as a base, both triangles has a same base. So the property we have already studied in 9th standard, that area of this two so area of DBE equal to area of DEC. So from equation 1, 2 and 3. So if from equation 1 and 2 and 3, we have AD upon dB equal to AE upon EC. So hence we prove AD upon dB equal to AD upon EC. Hence proved. So I hope you like this video. If so, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time, right? So we'll meet you all again in the next video.